These are the perfect little towns for the Brits to be coming to. Oh, we're back out in the open. Thought I was showing you a town. There were loads of little houses. There was a guy on a roof fixing a roof with his wife. And I just said to Michelle, it looks like Brits. These are the perfect little hamlets for English to come and retire. Live the life. A life that Michelle and I have lived already. We've done this. We really enjoyed it, but I don't know. We talked about going back to this sort of French village life. I don't know though. I feel in some ways like we've outgrown it. I want to be back in France in a little hamlet or slightly larger village, and I don't know. I would recommend it to anybody and everybody, but I feel Michelle and I have outgrown it. I'm not sure why. I was just saying to Michelle, I feel a lot fitter, but I think we're being a bit blessed with fairly flat ground at the moment anyway. Our first real glimpse of the Loire. There's a steel bridge ahead, and it looks like Michelle and I have to cross it and get to the other side. And look at these pretty houses. I mean, they're palaces, aren't they, some of them? Many a friend came here and bought these places for the cost of a bungalow in England. And this is a joy to have a little house. I mean, okay, you're on the road. Maybe a little business, maybe. I suspect the prices have gone up, but there was a time you could pick these places up so inexpensively relative to Australian and British money. Great little camping spots down there, but also a bit busy for the town. You're going to end up a lot of fishermen. We're on this steel bridge, steel girder bridge. There's traffic lights halfway. So if we slow just a little bit, we might get the green light. Oh, 48 seconds. "20 seconds, and here we go." Oh, really? Let's get off and push. We're sure this way? Yeah. Okay, this is a pusher. This is a bone shaker. Here we go. Back to the road. Or somebody might have paved that bit of road. Ba-da-da, ba-da-da-da, ba-da-da, ba-da. And we're back in the bicycle path. It's a pretty little town right on the river. We're on the opposite side now. Now we can't even stop particularly because we have to find a camping spot probably in the next 45 minutes. So Michelle and I, we rocked up to our camping spot we're getting...
I've been applauded twice.
two people have applauded us. So this is quite nice. This is just off of the river where we were just cycling just now, and there's little bays. So these are purposely for camping. And we think no reason why you shouldn't be able to put a tent here. And I'm sure it's very much marked for free camping spots. And these back ones, I think, have had tents on them a few times because they're a little flatter. So this is where we're going to spend the night. But first of all, we're probably going to set the tent up and have a little bit of something to drink.
Something to drink, something to manger.
Something to manger. And then look out over the maze.
Is it ready yet?
All that I have is a river, and the river is always my home. Please take me away, for I just cannot stay. I think I really need the lyrics. They are like a...
The water sustains me without it.
I know what. I'm glad of what keeps me afloat. The river sustains me without even trying. The water can roll me under with my dying. No deeper the water I sail, and faster the current I meet. But each night in the stars and the song in my heart is a tune for the journeyman's day. The water sustains me without even trying. The water can draw me under with my dying. And then it's Lord, it's C-F-A-M. It's like the same chords but in a different...
I've never tried to play that before, so it's nice, easy, open.
G and F.
G and F. Thank you, that's nice. I'm going to learn that one. That's so cool.
Lovely to meet you.
No, don't worry, buddy. You know.
Safe travels.
Oh, that's our French
Yeah,
kiss.
love to meet you, Michelle. Yeah, very nice. Take care. Take good care again, and take good care
It's
again.
beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you.
I just want to ride in quickly because I think we're going to end this episode here because it seems a really apt place. We found this little camping spot and I don't know if I filmed it last night. If I did, so be it. Look at this. Michelle and I came along here. We camped overnight just in this spot here. No, this spot here. And we met this lovely couple, Harmony and Pascal. Harmony and Pascal. And Pascal's lovely sister also. It was just nice. So we're going to end it there. We're going to see if we can find today a rest spot so we can get this edit done and up for you. Ready, Michelle? On. Okay. Encore.
All that I have is a river, and the river is always my own. Lord, take me away, for I just cannot stay. While skin in my bones. The water sustains me without even trying. The water can run me up down with my Please let me read the small road, one that I ride on the floor, where the river runs deep and the little fish creep. I'm glad of what keeps me afloat. The river sustains me without even trying. The water can run me under with my no deeper the water I sail, and faster the current I meet. But each night brings the stars, and the song in my heart is a tune for the